Hi everyone, welcome back to Small Engine Tutorial. Today we have this Victa Super Catcher with Briggs Stratton 550EX engine. We have covered a lot of videos of this particular unit in the past. So from our last video, we replaced the air filter, and because it was surging, and this time when I tried to start it, it stopped straight away, and somehow when I tried to pull the carburetor out, the engine starts, and there's no guarantee that this will continuously work. So this time I'm going to replace the carburetor with a new one. So let's get started. So I'm going to remove the cowling. So there's a tab just right on the top. Just so using an M8 socket, you just need to remove this. 3 mounting bolts. Take the air filter cover, air filter. So using an M7 socket, I need to remove these 2 mounting bolts and also 2 mounting bolts for the carburetor. This is the 2 mounting bolts for the carburetor. And I'll use M8 for the mounting bolt for the air filter base. Now I can remove the air filter base. Now removing the carburetor, we need to take off the fuel line, and in order to stop the fuel from leaking, we have this crimper for the fuel. I can crimp the fuel. Now I can release the circlip with the clamp, the fuel hose clamp. So we have the fuel line here, we have the clip and the crimper. So we can pull the carburetor, remove the linkage and also the governor linkage. So we have this old carburetor, and then we just replace it with the new one. As you can hear in the background, you can hear some mowing. It's mowing time. It's a weekend, so people doing their mowing. So we just clean this one. Now we have this new carburetor. So let's compare this one with the old one. So they are pretty much the same. So let's see. Linkage. So this one is for the, I guess this one for the temperature. Okay, just push it in, and we can install the fuel line. And I need to place the fuel hose clip back. Now I can remove the crimp. So now I have to install the air filter base, mounting, and this one's for the carburetor screws. All done. So for the air filter and the cover. Now I can put the cowling back. So the screw. And let's put this one back. All done. So that's simple, right? So that's easy to replace the carburetor. So if you want to know how to fully rebuild the carburetor, please see the link on the top. And thanks for watching, and I hope you'll find this quick tutorial useful to you. And I'll see you next time. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.